Okay, this is the vocabulary pronunciation video for Kapitel 5, Stufe 2. Our first vocabulary phrase is sie, es gefällt mir. Now you're only going to use one of those. It depends on the gender of the noun that you like. So whatever it is that you're talking about. So it could be gefällt mir, sie gefällt mir, or es gefällt mir. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about the grammar just so you get an idea ahead of time. But this word, mir, is no longer the subject. And what I mean by that is mir means to me, and a lot of the time you guys like to think, okay, that's basically the same as ich, and you think that ich would be the subject because you're saying I like it. But in this case, this is a little different than English. It really means it appeals to me. So it, whatever it is that you like, is doing the action. It is appealing. This word is actually called the indirect object, or the dative pronoun. So we're going to call it I like it, but it really means it appeals to me. So just keep that in your mind for now. Our next one is Sie gefallen mir. Sie gefallen mir. And this is similar to the previous one, except it means I like them, and it's because we're now using the plural, sie, as in they, so our verb is a little different. It's in the plural form. So they appeal to me, or I like them. Sie gefallen mir. Our next one is Der Rock sieht aus. Now where there's a blank, that's where you're going to put an adjective to describe the skirt. So the skirt looks something. Der Rock sieht aus. The key words here are sieht and aus, which is coming from a verb that you will learn in the third section of this chapter, aussehen. And it is separable, meaning you can have two parts, and you have to have two parts. So, der Rock sieht aus. Hübsch. Hübsch. Lässig. Lässig. Schick. Schick. Fesch. Fesch. One quick side note here. In the previous one and on this one, they both say smart as a definition. It is not smart as in intelligent. It is smart as in the fashionable smart. So it's stylish. It's a good choice. Scheußlich. Scheußlich. Furchtbar. Furchtbar. Do not get this word confused with fruchtbar. Fruchtbar means fertile, so you don't want to say it's fertile if you're trying to say it's terrible. Passen. Passen. Passen is a regular verb, so make sure that you write that in your verb chart to fit, and it is regular. The only exception is in the du form. You will not add another S because we already have two S's, but you guys should already know that based on the other verbs we learned. Der Rock passt prima. Der Rock passt prima. Ich finde den Pulli echt stark. Ich finde den Pulli echt stark. Ich bin nicht sicher. Ich bin nicht sicher. Ich weiß nicht. Ich weiß nicht. Just a little bit of a note here as well. Wissen is a verb. It means to know. This is the verb that you would use when you're saying you know information. On the left side of the chart, you will notice that they are all pink, whereas the right side of the chart is all black font. The black font represents regular conjugation. The pink font is irregular. I put this chart in here so that you guys could write it into your own verb charts. Make sure you keep track of your verbs. Die Größe. Die Größe. The plural is die Größen. Die Größen. Zu. Zu. Viel zu. Viel zu. Ein bisschen. Ein bisschen. Weit. Weit. Eng. Eng. Lang. Lang. Kurz. Kurz. Meinst du? Meinst du? Ehrlich. Ehrlich. Wirklich. Wirklich. Überhaupt nicht. Überhaupt nicht. Bestimmt. Bestimmt. Nicht zu lang. Nicht zu lang. Ihn. Ihn. This is one of the new pronouns that you have, the direct object pronoun of er. So it is the accusative case form of er. So the masculine it or he changing to him, or the accusative case or direct object version of it masculine.